Okay, so whenever you're adding a level, it needs to be inside a function bracket here. That way, whenever it's called, like from the main menu, you can run the prep function for it to get everything off the menu. Then it runs the level itself. So far, so good?
I'm just trying to find out this prototype.
Yes. Or I sent it to Brandon. I can send it to you guys too if you need.
Yeah.
Okay. So, first things you're going to need for your level. You're going to need the music for the level, and since we're still in the lava zone here, we can copy and paste all this startup stuff. Bam. So this will set up our background, and it'll scale it to the screen. The key variables here. And do you have the design for a level? One of the levels that I'll just run through real quick.
We set them on the Google Drive, right?
Yeah. Okay. And then we have the counter for the number of tiles, the start x coordinates and the start y coordinates, and all the arrays that hold all our information here.
So where do we get that from the template? Where do we get that from the template?
Everything that I'm going to be adding here is going to be on the template. This template right here. And so since this will be in part of the lava zone, we don't have to change any of the save data because it's just going to be level 2. Level 2 in path lava here. So it's on the lava zone. That's why it's lava, path lava, and then it's going to be level 2. So the variable we're going to be using for it, like the first one, whenever you finish the level, the variable we're going to use is, if I can get to it, here we go. The variable we're going to use for level 2 is going to be lava level 2 stars. That way it can run everything that we need whenever we're closing it and opening it. You guys still tracking with me?
I think so.
And this will all be on the video with the explanation. Alright, so let's shut this stuff down. Alright, show me one of the levels.
These ones here are a little easier to read. So,
okay, so this one right here.
these are the 2 beginning ones, so since it's lava, we'll choose one of these.
Alright, so let's go with this one. So this is tile 1, so we need an elbow tile. So we go to template, go over here. All this information is already in the prototype level. We want to run down here and grab the elbow tile. Let's go ahead and collapse these. There we go. Okay. So we have an elbow piece here. Go over to prototype. Level 2. And then should be a find and replace. There we go. So I want to replace capital Z with number 1.
Why don't you just hit replace all?
Because I think there's another Z up there somewhere. I'll check in a second. Yeah. Then we want lava right here. That way it knows to grab from the lava tiles.
Does that need to be okay?
Let's do full character. that's why I don't want to do it. Okay. So now we have the first tile. So if we load this up real quick, let's change the menu so we have a second level here.
Is that same for level 2?
So what?
So that's for the main menu?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Just check. This would be one, the first elbow time. Just this function.
you forgot to load in the tile, but that's the function for the elbow tile. Because you need the function and the actual tile load in itself.
This is just a testing.
And for the sake of simplicity, I think I'm going to add a group here and group everything together.
So what did that just do?
This made everything a group, and that way whenever you're removing it, it makes it easier to get off the screen. And I obviously put in the wrong value here. Ooh, not that far. Oops, I forgot to change the call function. Oops. Alright. So we should only have one tile. And I haven't frozen it, so you can rotate it around. Okay. And so you want the tile to be facing that way, so it needs to be rotated 90, 180, 270. So when you're rotating the tile, you just put the rotation 270, and it's going to be facing that way, so you have to change the up, down, left, and right values accordingly. So up is still true, down is still false, left is now true, and right is false. Because that's how you want the tile to start, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And since it's not the starting point, frozen remains false. Sound good?
Okay.
Easy enough? So, now it starts there.
So you find a display music and all that again.
Where do I find what?
The little music.
Level music. Everything's going to be loaded in up here. Does that make sense?
Yeah, just wondering where you find it in the template just to add it in there.
I'm not sure if it's on the template. I don't. Yeah, it's not on the template. It's on the prototype file. Yeah, because it's not something that you do a template for necessarily.
But
Okay.
you do want to put that at the beginning of each level, right?
Yes, you want to play the proper music at the beginning of each level, and it's not. You can call the variable music, but I wouldn't. I would call it like lava music, and then like you can change it depending on where you are, like space music or whatnot. Okay, so the next tile is
Straight up and down.
a straight tile. So let's grab a straight tile.
Pretty much just 3 straight tiles on a row.
3 straight tiles.
Yeah.
Okay.
till you get to the
Are
start.
they all straight up and down?
Yeah.
Right.
I just made it super simple.
All right. So let's add straight tile. Okay, good. We do have the. It's going to be the second function. We need to replace it with 2 because it is the second tile.
Now, if you were to leave that 1, would it just morph them together?
If I left the function as 1,
And when you changed it to Z instead of changing it to 2, left it as 1.
the function, I think the function, it would this tiles event listener. Oops, this tiles event listener would also, I think it would try to call that one as well, and then they wouldn't play nice with each other, and it would probably break.
Okay.
So you need to make sure you change it.
Yeah, I was just making sure that, seeing if it would like morph them into one piece or something.
Yeah, let's say we never find out what if it does that. All right, 2 and lava tile info. Straight tile. So we just need to do this 2 more times for the other tiles. Three lava and 3, and there's a third straight tile or a second straight tile, and then let's add a third one. This will be the 4th tile. So okay, yeah, I made it. So at this point, I could hit replace all, and that would make things faster. So I'll do that from now on. Sound good?
Okay.
That way I don't have to just mash through it. And there's a third straight tile. And if you can see here in the printout that the values that you have for like up is false because it's sideways, down is false, left is true, and right is true.
Okay.
That way you can see like is it printing or is it facing the right direction, like according to the programming, because you can see where it's facing, but the programming has to be told, hey, it's facing left and right.
Okay.
And oh wait, no, we don't need. Oh yeah, okay. So how do you want the start to be? Do you want just a straight tile facing the left?
Sure.
Right,
Or a
so-
cross piece, doesn't matter. Make it the cross one. So
Cross piece.
we can
Okay.
get another repeat on how to change it to the way we need to face it.
Cross piece. I always. You don't
I
have to
mean-
change the
I
way it's
mean,
facing. Another straight
up and
piece.
down.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Right. There we go. And it's going to be the 5th tile. So place all. It's going to be lava. 5th tile. All right. So it's going to be sideways. So you want to make the rotation 90 degrees. And so when it's 90 degrees,
Means, yeah.
and so you need the left, right, up and down accordingly. So up is false,
Downfall.
down is false,
Left,
Left.
right, true.
True, and right is true. And since you're starting on it, frozen needs to be automatically frozen, correct?
Now, it only freezes when you walk on it, correct?
Yeah, all the other tiles will only freeze when you walk on them.
Okay.
And so
My next question would be, is it possible to make that a starting tile and then come back to it? Or does your program automatically go to, you find it frozen to start?
you'll place when you have a starting tile, whenever you place the character, whenever you, the starting coordinates will be like the character's x will equal tile 5 dot x
Okay.
and tile 5 dot y.
Because I was just wondering, like, is it possible to eventually, like, for this one here, you start here, or wherever you start, and then you can come back through it and rotate it? If we didn't put frozen true.
Say what?
Then, okay, so
Sorry.
say we leave frozen false when we're making the design. That means once you move off of it, you can change it.
No. Yeah. If you moved off, if you left it frozen as false, whenever you moved off it, I believe you would be able to rotate it. Correct.
And then when you walk back on it, it'll freeze.
Then it would freeze. All right, and so you have to reset whenever you hit the end of the line. Whenever you hit the end of the line here, you have to reset the start x to equal what it was originally, which is 40, and you have to add start y equals start y plus 60. That way it'll go down a level, and then continue through the grid whenever you're adding it.
Okay, so hold on. Can
So-
you repeat that again?
Okay, yeah. So whenever you get to the end of the line, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this fifth tile. So the sixth. At the end of the fifth, at the end of every tile, you've been adding start x equals start x plus 60. That way, when you add it in the template, the start x will automatically be the next one over.
Yeah.
So whenever you get to the end of the line and you want to go to the next level of the grid, you go start x equals 40. That way, the x pointer will start back at the beginning here, and you do start y equals start y plus 60, and that's the length of one tile, so it goes down one set. So
Okay.
whenever the next template calls start x and start y, it'll be put right there.
Okay.
Okay, next tile,
That one is going to be a straight up and down.
another
Or-
straight tile.
Oh, straight, yeah.
And technically I could wait till the end and then find and replace all with lava, but for the sake of simplicity, I'm just gonna
Yeah.
leave it that way for now. Bam. Yeah, okay, it's facing the right way. Okay, next tile.
It's gonna be hazard
Hazard.
for the rest of the line.
The rest of the line are all hazards?
Mhm.
Okay.
Is the hazard line really that short?
Yeah, because it's just one tile and they're all false, and there's no function to it, so it's really easy to do. Hazards, start x, start y, start x plus 50. I'm just going to knock all these out real quick.
Okay, which subline are you using? 3 or 2?
Say what?
Because for some reason on my computer I have both 2 and 3 in here.
What do you mean?
I got subline 3 and subline 2 for no reason.
What are you talking about?
What are you using to edit this?
So, a sublime?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said subline.
Oh, no.
This is sublime text.
Yeah, which one? For some reason I have 2 or 3, and I'm trying to make sure I use which one that you're using.
I used 2.
2. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't want to mess with none of that beta stuff.
Okay. That's all I need to know.
What is that key? I think it's control. Nope. Option. Yeah, it's option. Okay. That way that'll make things easier. Push all.
What did you push?
That way I can hit whenever I'm finding and replacing, just Command Option F. Pulls up the interface.
Control H for Sublime on Windows.
Control H.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine to replace.
Okay.
So X equals 40. There we go, there we go. 4 hazards. Right. What tile do we got next?
Another elbow.
Elbow tile.
Pretty much just copy the one that we already done.
Yeah, the one earlier.
So it always goes from left to right. When
Say
you're
what?
Putting the tiles in, always go left to right.
Always go left to right, correct. Otherwise, it will not be happy. You can go right to left, but it might mess you up when you're going through later.
Should be 11 now.
Yep. Oop. Yeah. Okay. I was actually on 2. Never done that before. Interesting. I don't know if that messes it up or not. I'm hoping not. Yeah. Okay. Next tile. Straight tile.
Straight,
Straight up and down.
T, cross, T.
Cross. T. Where's my straight tile? There's my straight tile.
Do we have all the music yet, by the way?
Yeah, I have it on my computer. I can send it to you guys.
And it's just the same music per level, correct?
For a zone, yeah. So lava has a lava theme. Every level in the lava zone has a lava theme. Every level on the beach, I don't know if we're still doing beach, but every level on the beach had a beach theme. Oop.
This one's about to break.
Oh, that's a T-piece, my bad. Let's grab the T-piece. Alright, so the T-piece has rotation of 90. So that would be like that. So up is true, down, true, left, false, right, true. Bam. Okay, next tile, cross. Awesome, those are really easy. Oops. That one doesn't have this on it. That could be a problem. Next tile. 4 hazards in a row. See, once you get in the flow of it, it's just, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Super easy.
If y'all need anything from me, let me know, and I'll see what I can do. But
Okay.
So when are we meeting again?
So we said Monday.
Monday, what time?
Let's go 6 again. Is everybody good at 6?
should be good at 6.
I'm normally at work at that time.
Alrighty then, not 6.
What time works for you? Times, actually, plural.
I'm good whenever. I'm never doing anything.
Maybe after we get out of bed at 1-ish. Right? 1?
1.
Dude, your battery's running low, but I also need to see the tiles.
I have class at 2, but should be
Yeah,
1
get
work for me.
TPs.
Just let me know.
Yeah.
Alright, elbow piece. Let's grab an elbow piece. It's facing that way. 90, 180. Down is true. Left is true. Right is false. Bam. Okay. Straight piece. T-piece. Is it still making sense to you?
Yeah.
Good.
Although I'm wondering why the, what is it, start.x or whatever is,
Why it's what?
let me see it again. Why is it set to start x equals start x plus 60 if you're constantly changing it?
That it's the start x right now is 40. So for this tile, it needs to be start x equals start x plus 60, which is the length of one tile. So it goes start x equals start x plus 60. and that's the new start X.
Okay, so that's just a sort of default.
It's so you don't have to type the X coordinates in on every single tile. Isn't that nice of me? Still true. Down is still true. Left is... No. Down is true. Left is true. Right is false. Bam. Okay. Dude, your battery's running low, man. Man. Cross piece. Oops. Oh. I accidentally hit Control S. Bam. TPs. Kind of sounds like TP. Haha, you get it. Get it, toilet paper.
We're talking about the Indian structure.
No. That too. Because we're all mature here. Now I can't fast forward it because we have to have this amazing conversation.
No, you just fast forward up to this point and then you stop.
And just TP.
I thought you were talking about the Indian structure.
That too. Maybe. Easy. Alright, here we go. Oh, big. Right, and then we need to change start Y. Is it making sense to you why I'm changing start Y? Okay. Wait, was that a or a
That was
Yeah,
a
so it loads
confirmation
it down.
of
Okay.
So wait, each tile is 60 by 40?
60 by 60.
Why are you going down by 40, not 60?
It's start X equals 40, not start X equals start X minus 40.
Oh.
40 is the starting point.
Okay, so you're just using that to reset it.
Yep.
Okay.
Start X equals 40. I wish I had a fancy way of doing it, but nope. Otherwise, I'd be a genius. There's probably some way I could do it, but I don't want to. Because then it would be too easy for you guys. And you guys need a little bit of blood, sweat, and tears. Just like I did when I was programming this at 5 in the morning.
Okay, that's your fault.
Hey, but you're happy.
That's true.
Because you're not having to do this from scratch.
I think it might be beneficial because does Brandon still have all of the newest version of what we have?
I think so. He probably has a newer version of what we have.
Can you send us a new or what you
This
got?
one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have all what's new.
Yeah.
Obviously, I don't know what he's doing.
So you guys can have the new swag.
Hmm?
You guys can have the new swag.
Yeah.
All the new swag.
And then just 4 more hazards like before.
Yeah. Yeah, it's boring level design. Just kidding. Just kidding.
It is. It's supposed to be.
That was the whole point in the first world.
Yeah.
And then I got bored, so I started writing their names out with each thing. Maddie's was the hardest one.
Yeah, because M.
Yeah, M is a nightmare to do. I think I'm gonna redo it. I don't like how it turned out.
I haven't even seen it, and neither do I.
And I think I'm just
Just
gonna
'cause
get the
M.
McDonald logo.
M never works in pixel art.
I don't know.
Especially when your pixels are 60 by 40. 60 by 60. Dang it. What'd you do? Why are you doing this to me, man?
Man, what are you doing to me? These drugs are amazing.
You're killing me, Smalls. Starthy. Starthy is not declared here. It's like, well, watch it. Watch me declare it. Right. Two crossbeat. Man, you suck.
You can change anything if you feel like it looks boring.
No, you know what? You know what?
Change it to whatever you
Dakota,
want.
I trust you.
I'm just saying, Brandon, whenever you go in and you're doing all this, if you don't like how it looks, you can change it. It will not hurt
I
my
don't want to
feelings.
disrupt your changes.
Dude, my genius went like 40% brain capacity on this.
Oh, that's really reassuring for the app that's going to be on the store.
The first page was about 110%, and the rest have been 40. Because you guys want them out? No, you guys were like, oh, and then you're like, we need these levels now. I was like, oh, okay, well, let's get faster production, less quality. So blame him.
Naturally. And
That's me.
That conversation needs to be in the
if you
video.
if you had been working through the entire semester on these things, you wouldn't be in this position.
Oh, this is going unedited. This is going to be a 37, 38, 40-minute long video, whatever.
No.
Maybe if you started studying for the macro test.
Nope.
Shit.
I didn't even go
Hey,
to class
buddy.
Wednesday.
Why not? You don't have the reviews?
Nope. I thought you would.
I do. Hey Drake.
Hey, Matt, what's up?
Studying for a macro test was good asking a question, but he didn't go to class.
What do you need to know?
Just apparently all of it. I just took the 2 quizzes.
Wait, we had 2 quizzes?
The 2 quizzes she gave us.
Oh, I was just gonna review the PowerPoint.
Yeah.
Because that's obviously where all the information comes from.
Well, yeah, I just took both quizzes, made a 32 on it. So
Oh, you actually take those?
yeah.
Oh, I don't. I just fill in the answer and review.
Well, I just want to see what I actually know.
Oh, then you know absolutely nothing.
Here, I gotta give this to you.
Boy, I'm glad that went in the video.
Hmm.
I didn't want to tell him we were recording, otherwise he would have yelled a cuss word at the
No,
record
no.
at the
I'm talking about
microphone.
Matt here.
Please do not tell him that we're recording, because this is a family-friendly show.
No, you'll just get banned from YouTube for like a day or so.
Nah. YouTube can't mess with me. I'm way too big for YouTube.
Yeah, your whole 3 followers.
Dude, that's all I need, man. Right, and then we need
A door.
the door.
Dun, dun, dun. Or in this case, what will the door be?
Well, right now it's just going to be doortile.png, which is fine by me.
Okay.
It needs to function like a cross tile.
Are you recording this for class?
No.
Okay, cool. Just want to make sure. We have 4. She's giving us a list of 4 essay questions. We have to know all 4, but she's only going to ask us 2.
And why are those 2 marked?
Because those 2 are the ones I think are the easiest.
So in other words, they're going to be those 2.
Probably.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't take a picture of that.
Bam. Then we have a door.
Now we have a door. No, but the 4 pieces
Right.
on the bottom.
Yeah, so now we need to add the interface.
Screw it, I'll leave a shadow on
Alright, good. Okay, so now we need interface.
Start studying. Start studying. Because I'm going to come back over here and ask you questions. Dude, I told you I don't know shit
I
about this.
will when we're done with this.
Alright.
Like, this is technically a group time.
I know. I gotta figure this shit out.
Somewhere around here's the end.
Say what?
So somewhere around here's the end.
I just don't want to go like way far past it. Alright, so this is all, don't worry about the code in there, because some of it's like, won't make sense, because I changed a little bit of it. Okay, so where are the keys on this level?
This one has
Just
a key
put it on the
here,
pad.
here, and here.
So here, so let's start, that's the first key. So that would be tile 6.
Yeah.
So let's go grab the key. Where's the key on the first one? Here's the key on the first one. So that's 10. Just gonna steal the code from it.
Wow, that is literally 3 lines of code
Yeah, I just need
compared to the 1,000 lines of code it takes.
Right, so that's tile 6. So and the interface and everything's up there, but none of the values are right, so I don't want to move right now. Because it needs to be told where the keys are, like the movement function needs to be told where the keys are, all that good stuff. So let's avoid that for now. So the other key is here. 5, 10, 15, 20.
20, and then the next one is 21 after that.
Oops. Don't worry about that. Alright, the next one is 35.
21.
Say what?
21.
21. 21. Wait, seriously?
5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, 26.
Okay. It's like, like that eye funny face.
It could be 21, it doesn't really matter.
Hey, watch it, bub.
Oh, that's why he's told me.
Bam. Okay, so you said 6, 25, and wait, 5, 10, 15, 20, 6, 20, and 26. Awesome.
Oh, so you gotta remember those numbers.
Yeah. 6, 20, and 26. 6, 20, 26.
Oh, you built a key for
6, 20, 26. And finally, 6, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20,
26.
26. Okay, I was just making sure. I didn't want to put the value in there and then be super wrong about it. Oh, and the character needs to start in the right spot. Oops.
It'd just be an easy puzzle. Easier.
No? Oh. Oh my goodness.
You named it Lava Dude.
Dude, I didn't give him a name, you kidding me? Who gives names to fictional characters? Not me.
I'm gonna call him George.
Jorge.
Jorge. I think Jorge's suitable.
Character.
Actually, no. We're gonna go with Matthew. It's gotta be a ginger's name. He's got red hair. That's not racist.
Oh, here we go. Okay, so we want tile.
Never thought
5.
of Matthew as a person.
Man, I'm glad that's going in the recording.
Oh, and his character tile needs to start at 5, or a circle tile. I never changed it. It should be character tile, but yeah, don't worry about it. So,
You spend it so you forget.
bam.
just try and span it across these.
Hey, don't worry about it.
Yeah, I'm so glad that's going on YouTube. Why didn't she get the P?
That's an excellent question. Something that we should find out in the code.
Why didn't you pick up the key?
Why didn't you pick up the key? Say what? What'd you call me? Alright. If circle tile equals 6.
You think you'll get mad if I just walk
Oh,
away?
because they're all named key.
Hmm?
I didn't change the name of the variable that holds the key, so they're all named key.
So you gotta go through all of them and change it.
620 key 2. And see, because it removed a key that was down here, because that one it found the first one called key, and they're all called key. So where's the last one? What the heck? 26.
Like the one down there disappeared.
Yeah, the one down there disappeared. The key down under.
And now it reappears.
Oh no, what did I hit? I hit caps lock. Okay. Shabanzo. Wait, I gotta get this in there. It's really loud, I gotta tone that down.
I can tell you spam.
I assume that's not the sound that we're going to.
That is not gonna be in the final project. Because that's copyrighted. And way too good for our game. Mission complete. Alright, so I might have messed up the save data there. Don't worry about that. Because all these need to be level 2 stars. Because this is the second level.
Thank you. I needed to
Reliberate. And then it prints out everything. Because we're cool. Okay, so. Okay, it's there. It's really quiet. I gotta change that.
Is this actual audio or no?
Yeah,
Okay.
the song is. And the clicks and everything.
That's not.
There's level 2 stars. Row.
I think it's supposed to be
Level 2.
2.
What the heck?
This is level 1
Level
star.
1, level 3, level 10, level 9. I don't know how it's printing this out right now. There's probably some method to it.
Yeah, I just need to
So that's done.
Oh wait, because it's probably the save data. So let's change file directory. That way we can start a new game. And then let's make the menu only show it.
I'm thinking about maybe taking a little bit of time. What? Hola.
Hola.
Hi, mommy.
Hi.
What's your face?
Not great.
Oh my gosh, you can see me. Not this one.
No, I can't. I can't see you, sorry. Bam. So we don't have enough stars, so we can't do that for him. So
Oh, I'm never quiet. See, like,
Is it the very...
gotta be quick.
I just want to have a lot longer.
I
That's not mine. I mean, this is, but
That was a huge delay in the music starting.
no, it was there. It's just dun, 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 dun. It's really quiet. I know I have 3 stars.
And the next question is, are we just gonna leave that as the first level?
What?
No, this is just the prototype. That was a test level. We can
This
keep
is
it
the
in there.
first
As
level.
this will no. That last one was the first level.
No. I mean, this
I
will
mean,
be the first level.
This
of the
should be
actual
the
game.
first level.
Sure, why not? I have no idea what I'm talking about. That was a prototype level. That was just in there for the funsies.
No. This one, the one that you just completed. That's going to be the first level.
Where are the stars? Should be level 2 stars. Wait, does it print it before? Mama.
Mama,
Mummy. Mama. Mama. Mama.
mommy, mom,
Mum. Mum. Mum.
mom.
Okay, level 2 stars. Level 2 stars. 2 stars. 2 stars. 2 stars. Oh! Ha! Make sure you change all your variables, kids. Oh, ooh, oh, I might have broken it. I've never tried it before.
What do you mean you might have broke it?
Mission complete.
Is
Cause
that
that
really bothering you that much? No one's gonna see that.
no, it's not that no one's gonna see that. It's that that's the actual variable that needs to be. That way, when we start it up again, it'll have the next level unlocked. Otherwise, it would have been like, oh, we don't have level 2 stars, so gone. All right. All right. Let me test the functionality real quick.
What just happened?
It played the first level.
What are you doing?
It ran cleanup. It ran cleanup, and then it started the first level.
I'm working on some group project.
All right, here we go.
What instrument is this?
I don't know. Just need to make sure it doesn't break.
It looks pretty fun.
His face is underneath the start menu, but that's fine. We can fix that in post. All right,
And video, stop recording.
that's a wrap, kiddos.
Go home, edit the video now.